Good day everyone, this is Coach Ural. Welcome back to GMG Chess. Today, let's analyze one of the interesting games that leads to beautiful tactical position, wherein white sacrifices queen, and after that, black, all pieces become paralyzed, and wherein black cannot prevent checkmate. Without further ado, let's go now to the game. It is the game between Igor Miladinovic versus George Hickle. Miladinovic played d4, then d6, e4, g6. After 1 d4, it transposes to the Firk defense. Knight c3, bishop g7, bishop e3, a6, queen d2, b5, castle, bishop b7, f3, a universal setup for white against black fianchetto at the king side. For example, against the Firk, the modern defense, and similar to King's Indian defense. After knight d7, h4. This is a typical plan for white, followed by h5, bishop h6, then h5, a defensive move preventing white to move h5. Then knight h3, rerouting to g5, then there is a possibility that f4, e5, and e6. Rook c8, knight g5, then c5. Black start to counterattack at the c file. Knight e2, rerouting the knight to f4 and focusing on the tactical e6 square. Then queen c7, king b1, a safety precaution against the possible threat along the c file. Knight gf6, d5, then knight e5, knight f4, queen b6, queen e1, a5, bishop c1, b4. Black is playing aggressively at the queen side. Knight e6, sacrificing the knight. Black played bishop h6. Actually, accepting the sacrifice is the best defense. As former world champion William Stinnett said, sacrifice is refuted by accepting it, especially if you don't calculate the opponent compensation. After f takes e6, knight takes e6. If queen g3, then bishop h6, again capturing all the active white pieces. The knight at f4. Knight e6, bishop takes c1, rook takes c1, then c4. Black is totally winning, because the g6 pawn that is protected by knight at e5. Then if f4 chasing away the knight can go to strong g4. After knight takes e6, again bishop h6. If you are ahead of material, then trade many pieces as possible. Bishop takes h6, rook takes h6. Black is better because of material. After the game, bishop h6, knight g5, bishop g7, knight f e6, then f takes e6, and black accepted the sacrifice, which is the best move for black. Knight takes e6, rook g8. In the previous note, we analyzed bishop h6. But there is nothing wrong with rook g8. f4, knight eg4. Now the black knight occupies the strong g4 outpost for knight. Bishop c4, fixing the c5 pawn and protecting the d5 pawn, and proceed with e5 breakthrough. Bishop a6, bishop takes a6, queen takes a6. e5, the last chance for white, opening up the center for counterattack. Knight d7, queen e4, attacking the pawn at g6. Bishop h8, protecting the pawn at g6, otherwise leads to checkmate. Rook hf1, securing the f file and preventing knight f2. D takes e5, d6, e takes d6, f takes e5, opening up the center for tactical complications. Bishop takes e5, bishop g5, activating the last piece into attack and freezing the king at e8. Knight b6. Better is queen c6. The queen is the best attacker, also the best defender. After knight b6, b3, queen a8, a tactical blunder, giving up all the advantage, and now black is totally lost. And we are exactly at the same position in the puzzle last time. Some answered rook f8 check. But after rook takes f8, queen takes g6 check, king d7, queen h7 check, king c6, black is winning. And some answered knight c7 check. This one is wrong. After rook takes c7, rook takes d6, rook e7. Because queen takes e4 leads to checkmate at d8. After rook e7, queen takes a8, knight takes a8, and black is winning. Some answered queen takes e5. But this one is blunder. Simply knight takes e5. Some answered queen g6. Then rook g6, rook f8, king d7. Black is winning. The best move, which also play in the game, is rook takes d6. Excellent move. If knight f6, queen takes e5. White is piece up. If knight d7, knight c7 check, rook takes c7, rook e6 checkmate. If queen a7, securing the 7th rank, queen takes g6, excellent move. Rook takes g6, rook f8 checkmate. If black played bishop d6, capturing the rook, then knight c7, double check. King d7, rook f7 check, bishop e7, rook takes e7 check, king d6, then queen e6 checkmate. If king d8, knight e6 checkmate. Now let's go to the last one, accepting the sacrifice. Queen takes e4. After queen takes e4, knight c7 check, rook takes c7 force, and rook d8 checkmate. Did you enjoy this video? Did you learn? If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And you can expect that we can upload more chess videos that will helpful for your chess improvement. Thank you, good luck, and have a victorious day.